Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to make your TikTok profile or account public. To do this, you just need to go to TikTok, open the TikTok app, and after that go and click on Profile. And after that, click on the three lines on the top of the screen. And after that, go and click on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy, go to the second option, Privacy. And if your account is private, you will find this first option, Private Account Activated. And in that case, you just need to deactivate it to be like mine now. This icon should be like in gray color, so your account will be public like that. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.